Some call it the future. For us, it means act already today. In 2050, there will be 9 billion people living on the planet. The use of powerful technology will become even more crucial. Some call it being a global player. For us, it is simply support. AGCO products are manufactured at over 40 sites worldwide. Some call it history. For us, they are values. Tractor production in Marktoberdorf began in 1930 with a 6 HP strong diesel Ross small tractor with cutter bed and mounted plough. The brand Fendt was created, and right from the start it stood for really good products. The legendary diesel Ross was continuously further developed and became more popular every year. In 1949, already 20 diesel Rosses were produced every month. Since then, Fendt has been setting milestones, from carriers to the Machine Series Farmer and Favourite to the tractor market revolution, the Vario transmission. And there, where it all began, we still have our roots today. The Fendt Forum in Marktoberdorf is the gateway to the world of Fendt, a modern visitor centre, meeting point for all our customers, sales partners, friends and Fendt fans. Today, more than 5,000 employees develop and manufacture Fendt solutions in Germany. The tractors are built in Marktoberdorf. The Asbach-Bäumenheim cab plant is located 120 kilometers to the north. Fendt fodder technology comes from Feucht, while the Katana forage harvester and Rogator plant protection sprayer are made in Hohenmölsen. Fendt round balers are produced in Wolfenbüttel and the Fendt loading wagon in Waldstätten. Fendt combine harvesters come from Breganza in Italy. Some call it crazy. We call it research and development. But then, mad enough to repeatedly take the unconventional path, leave the reality, perform virtual research and development. Our engineers only have one limitation: customer benefit. Nothing more and nothing less. But when the product begins to take shape, we have our feet firmly planted on the floor again. Only one thing is more bitter than cold reality: a test in our full vehicle test bed. There we simulate the hardest working conditions. Only if it proves itself here is it released for use. Some call it quality. For us, it is the Fendt standard. Flawless products, a quality guarantee for our customers. The permanent function and quality checks throughout the whole manufacturing process provide this assurance. And we produce nearly all components in-house. Whether gears, shaft or shell, virtually all the components of the Vario transmission are produced in Marktoberdorf. And of course also tested with state-of-the-art measurement technology. Even the smallest imprecision is a big deal for us. Components for the Vario transmission are tested for residual particles in the micrometer range in our own particle laboratory to reduce the residues to a minimum. The Vario transmission is the heart of the Fendt. We don't accept any compromise there. Every day, the employees in the cab factory Asbach-Bäumenheim also prove their expertise in cab and bonnet production. After all, long workdays are spent in a Fendt cab. At the start, there are only pipes, profiles and sheet metal. The basis for cab quality begins in component production with the state-of-the-art technologies and high-tech systems. Through integrated production processes and the use of robotic systems, perfect processing of the individual components is guaranteed and is very strictly checked. A 5-axle laser checks all the bonnets with the aid of 3D measurements. No errors are permitted by the experience and dedication of the Fendt employees. Smart glasses support the employees during quality assurance. They give more than 60 defined test points on as well as in the cab. Efficient and direct. So that the customers can complete their work in peace and quiet, every cab undergoes a noise protection test. In the tractor factory marked Oberdorf, the cabs enter just in time and also just in sequence. In other words, in the right finishing sequence. A tractor is made up of around 10,000 components, which are directly delivered to the assembly line. Thus, a Fendt is created step by step. Finished, assembled and tested with care. All the Fendt series are produced on one assembly line, and that in every conceivable configuration. In addition to the numerous standard test benches, throughout the whole process there are 10 quality gates where our staff perform a very precise extra intermediate check of the components or systems. Visual condition, optional equipment, installation and processing, also as functional tests. Everything is ready, and every unscheduled thing is recorded, electronically documented, and of course corrected. But the most state-of-the-art high-tech solution cannot replace the experience of the employees, because good ideas for even better processes and results do not come from machines, but from dedicated and experienced colleagues. With the average length of employment in the company being 15 years, Fendt can rely on the most experienced employees. The best tractors are only built with the best employees. And therefore we also invest in the training of the younger generation. At the end of production, everything comes to light. With 2,400 lux illuminants, every individual tractor is subject to a final inspection. The result, our Fendt standard. Our mission? To assist our customers to succeed there where everything begins, at the point of intersection between heaven and earth, where nature and agricultural expertise meet.